Hello kids, good morning. Welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club. I hope you like this channel. We learn paint and draw here. Today we are going to color the dinosaur. Do you like it? Okay, let's start and keep watching. Now we choose green color for tree. It's really very beautiful. And the sky is blue. Now we choose yellow color. As you know that the sun is yellow. Very nice.
Bruh.
It's really awesome. I hope you like it very much. Now it's over.